inside the kitchen, right? I just need to get something to eat. Yeah. So this is the food I'll be eating this morning. This is rice and stew. I'm not even done with the food, but I'm ready for it. This. That's why it's good to drink water when you're eating. This is the quantity that I still left, but I can't finish it. So that I'm not gonna eat. I will have to finish it. So that I'm not gonna eat carelessly. Okay? Because I've already eaten peanuts and I don't want to eat peanuts today. So the next thing I'll be doing is to organize my kitchen area. Because I've turned my kitchen into kind of a dressing room, my balcony and my table. Guys, I'm just cleaning my kitchen area as you can see. Just putting everything back in position. Yeah. So I'll come back to wash it. Taking custard as my lunch. So the food I'm eating today is rice and I'm eating biscuits. Yeah. And I've chewing gum. So that's that. Guys, I want to do a face mask with oats and honey. So I'll proceed to do that now. I'm not going to be taking the steps of what to do. I'll just show you a footage of what I'm doing. So let's get started. First, I'll be using oats. This is Quaker oats, and I'll be using honey. This is natural honey. So I'll be using this is my main product. Then also I'll be using water. Then a plate, of course. So I'm not going to make much quantity. I've done this before. That was last year. So I'm sweating on my face. So I'll just go ahead to clean my face right now. I want to do some more. My face is clean, but I just want to clean it again. I'll just be using one spoon of honey because I don't want too much. I don't want to waste my item. I'm going to be using. I just pray this thing should not spill. Just a little amount of honey. Go ahead and mix this. Mix. I just want small quantity. Yeah, small quantity. Small quantity. Ooh, small quantity. I don't have any measurements for this. Just a drop. Yeah. So I can mix this. And let's go ahead and apply this on my face. Ooh. Guys, I'm waiting for the oats to dry. Oats exfoliates and soothe the skin, and honey balances skin pH. It is antibacterial, anti-aging, and is moisturizing. So oats along with honey helps to draw moisture to the skin and helps to soothe irritation. And honey and oat face mask is a gentle exfoliating mask to soothe your skin, balance your natural pH, and to remove dead skin. So guys, the oats and honey is already dried on my face, and I want to proceed to take it off right now. See, it's already dried. Because of my lashes, I'm going to not even because of my lashes, I don't want to mess up the entire place. I'm going to use Angel baby wipe. Who know me? If you know me, I don't know this wipe. You don't know this wipe. You don't know this wipe. Angel baby wipe. So now let's clean our face. I will start with my forehead. Whether you're a relaxed girl or you're carrying 4C, 4A, 4B hair, just be very careful so that this thing does not get to your hair. My quality.
Moisturizing my lips, moisturizing my lips, moisturizing my lips, moisturizing
girl is fine. This girl is pretty. This girl is. Vanessa, I'm ugly. Am I ugly? Vanessa. So for my lunch, I'm eating this biscuits. This sweet, then custard. So let's go and make the custard right now. Hello guys, I really want to apologize for something. In the process of editing this video, I just realized that my face looks so weird when I use the other phone, which is a Vivo phone. As if I was using a video effect or sorry. I will try my best as much as possible to work on it. That's if I'll be able to do it. I'm really sorry guys. My face just god, this is really annoying. I'm really sorry about that. If you have watched the video to this extent, you know that I'm a fast eater. I don't eat slowly. Guys, the login kit, the battery has died, so it's not on. So I'm using my brother's phone lights. The generator is not yet on. There's no fuel. It sends one of my siblings to get fuel. So this is what I'll be having for dinner things. I'm not really hungry. I just want something in my tummy because if I don't eat, I'll wake up in the middle of the night. I understand my body up to that extent. This is okay.